It's not cheese, silly. It's a camera.
Gamma.
Camera.
Gamma.
Gamma's downstairs.
Gamma. Gamma's downstairs.
Yep.
Again. Does she go?
Oh, James wants a spanking.
Get down.
James, are you wearing your sister's shoes? That's some nice shoes you got there, buddy. Little sparkly. Yeah. Get off the table, James. I see the shoe. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Where's your nose? There it is. Where's your eye?
No.
No. Oh.
Mommy.
Yeah, you see for mommy? Okay.
Mama.
Yeah, except for you're a little close. You see James in there? Whoa, James! Don't eat the camera! Buddy, you eat everything. You gotta keep some... Ow! You gotta keep some things out of your mouth. Bella's boogieing still. She's a boogieing girl.
Baba.
You see her boogieing in the screen? Wave, Bell Bell. Hola. ¿Cómo está?
Scary.
Don't pick your nose on camera. Bubba, don't pick your nose.
Hi.
Oh, you see her in there?
Apple, Baba.
Hi, Bubba.
Wake up, Baba.
Please dance, Bubba, he says. Please dance. He wants to see you dance. Is it? Hi,
Mommy.
James. Hi. Leo. Leo, stop closing the camera. That? Whoa! Whoa! Too close. What? What? All right. All right. All right.
Hey!
Jeez. Go, Leo, go! Ooh, I like your shoe. Did you put that on all by yourself? And you washed your pants? Got a shoe. Dance. There's James dancing. Dance, James. Wow. Bravo. Whoa, too much dancing. Bella, stop pitching a fit. Let's see you dance. Get off my leg to dance. Ready? Dance. Dance for Grandma. Woo! Shake your booty. Woo! Let's see you shake your booty. Woo! Oh, you got your other shoe on now. Wow! Good job. Let me see. Wow! Yeah, you got your shoes on. Are you gonna dance? Dance! Woo! You put your shoes on by yourself. Wow! Wait, you lost your pants. Shake your booty. Do not stand in that. Shake your booty. Whoop. Whoop. Don't climb on that. You'll get a spanking. Leo. No, no.
Baba.
Yeah, bad boy.
Baba.
Bad boy. Bella, don't do it. I will spank your bottom. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. And this is why all this stuff ends up on the floor. Why'd you take the pillows off the couch? James. James. Hi.
Hey.
James. James. Hi. James. 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 Where's your shirt? Are you putting your shoes on? Shoes. Wow. Wow. Is that your shoe? Where does your shoe go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Say hi to Grandma. Say hi. Hi. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll fix it. Say bye-bye. James, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Okay, don't eat the shoe. Leo, say bye-bye. Bella said bye-bye. Bella, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Bella, you're going to fall off that couch and I have to spank your butt. Leo, say bye-bye. You putting your shoe on? Your shoe. All right, get it on there. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye. Oh, it's thunder. Thunder. Oh. Okay, stop eating the shoe. Do you... Cheese. Cheese. Okay, rub your lips together so your lip gloss looks good. Lip gloss looks good. You guys are so... Yeah, your lip gloss looks good. Hi, Bubba. Like normal, he's on the phone. Wait, James, sit down. What? I know, usually, but not in this house. Catch the damn phone.
Hold on, Darian.
Okay, let's sing, because Daddy could be on there for half an hour. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Leo and James. Happy birthday to you. Woo, happy birthday! Yay! Okay,
Blow 'em out.
put them close so they can blow them.
Blow out the candles, buddy.
Blow out the candle. Blow.
Come on, Leo.
Okay. Daddy, you gotta watch the one in front of you. Blow. 1, 2, 3, blow.
No.
Bell, back up.
Blow.
Blow those, honey.
Blow. 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 Good job. Okay, sit down. Blow, Leo. Blow. Blow. Blow, Bella. Blow. Blow, Darian. Blow.
Not spit, Darian.
Keep blowing.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, sit
Good
down. We'll get
job.
some cake.
See the drill bomb that